Hi guys, Dev-initly Mario here. Today we want to bring our multiplayer functionality more forward. In the last tutorial we learned how to implement Steam, create a lobby and join a lobby. I hope you read the comment in the description to fix the issues we have at the end of our video. I will short give you the things you have to change so it works. First, you have to open horror game UI, the menu graph. Was it there? No, here it was not. Start. You have to go to blueprints, and here in base, we have to take not our lobby, we have to take our level first person level. And we have a second to change, and this was the here was it. The owning player have to be unplugged. So remove it, and then if you did, you can start. You will have one is and our goal today is to fix this wrong behavior. So for that, we go into a BB door base. We select our door. We scroll down to here, and we activate component replicated. Compile and save. Run the game again. Start here. Join. Now we can open the door, and the client would be able to see it, but he'll not see it. Yes, because we not implement the RPC logo. You see, the client opens the door in another direction, but both of them see only his own opening door. So now we need a RPC for that. So we have now authority problem. So the door belongs ever to the server. The door never is owning by the client. So we could only move the door if we send an RPC comment to the server and tell the server to move the door for us. So we have to go to BP person character, because your person character is owned by yourself. So your client owns his own person character, so we can send comments to the server from that point. So I have things done before, so I will not run into so much doing. So we need an SR door for server remote door. A replica on that is run on server v1 that only runs on the server. So we need, I have make it before parent interaction actor. Also we need to tell the BP person character which door is the door he is at the moment interacting with. So we need here an event tick. And before we can implement the logic, we have to go into the door and tell here set parent interact door. Here we put it on self because we want that door. And here we set it back to null. Because if we're not holding the mouse button, we not want to interact anymore with this door. So now we can here get our current door. We cast it to BP door base. And from here we want to open SR door. But SR door needs some parameters for us. So we need the turn rate, the float. We need is mouse button press as a boolean. And we need is looking at door as a boolean too. So now we want to call as a door. So, and here we have important things to do. We have to connect the turn rate. Can do it simple as that. Now we have to guess is mouse moving. Furthermore, we have to get is looking at door. And the last parameter we need is the door. And that is for type BB or base object reference. And so here we can directly connect it. That rewrote it a little. So it looks a little better. So that's the first step. Second step is to make our multi-comment. So here we want a custom comment with the name multi-interact door, and we want it as multicast. So like it's here, execute on all clients. So we need here params too. And we want turn rate, as a float. We want is mouse button pressed as a boolean, and we want is looking at door as a boolean too. So now we got these three params. We have to cut this out. This step we don't need there anymore. We cut it and we take it here. And we can delete this because our turn rate is here. We can delete this because we won't go from there. So we can delete this and this because we won't take this and this. So we rewrote that. Now we want to call this function from our RPC. So we want from the door multi interact door. And we will connect our pins there, and there. We want to compile and save. We want to compile, but we can compile it because we make here a little mistake. So now we can compile it. We can delete this. We not need this anymore. So let us go back into our scene. Let us start our scene. We want to join. And if we join, we see to forget something. I will fix it short. Okay, I found my mistakes. You have to go on your BP door base, class defaults, and check replicated. It's very important. Like you see, if you not check it, you will not be able to see your door is moving. Show you. Now my first player is looking at the door. I'm now the client. I can open the door. Now if you change the position of the door, and go back to my client, you see the door has synchronized on this too. If you test it on your own machine, you can have both windows near by near and you can see it in real time. Yeah. Now we got a synchronized multiplayer door. And in the next video, we will go to the fuse box and the light switch. Thing to use my poll on my Patreon for our first investigation tool. It's totally free, and I would like to see your vote. Bye, guys.